Hi there, and welcome to another Tyre Tech Unboxed video with Tyre Seeker. Now this is the new Bridgestone Turanza T6. It's the direct replacement for the T005, and if it's anything like as good as its predecessor, well, it should be blinding. Here's a little bit more about the tech behind it. Bridgestone claims the Turanza 6 is one of the best all-round premium touring tyres that money can buy. It's also been optimised for use on EVs, making it a true tyre for all occasions and all vehicles. The main technical improvements over the T005 have been made to the T6's compound and its resin construction, and to its pattern design, which includes brand new 3D sipes for even better wet road performance. The shoulder length, cavity design and tread block lengths have also been re-engineered for increased grip. But at the same time, Bridgestone claims the T6 also has lower rolling resistance and generates less noise than its predecessor, which is some combination of results. The T6's cavity design also has a wider profile than before, which reduces wear because it allows the tyre to distribute loads more evenly across the tread, hence less wear. Finally, the T6 also features a new aerodynamic rim guard, which is just as strong as before but is cleaner through the air, creating less drag but better fuel consumption on whatever car it's fitted to. I can't wait to try the T6. The T005 was just an excellent all-round premium touring tyre. It did nothing badly and lots of things really well. And Bridgestone reckons this thing goes one better in pretty much every department. We will see in the fullness of time when we test it later on this year. In the meantime, stay safe. Cheers for watching. Give us a thumbs up or subscribe if you like this video, and see you next time.